Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Fashionnova haul. Now I've got quite a lot of stuff to show you guys today, so I hope you're excited. It's a bit of a transition haul, I'd say. So I've got some really cute kind of wintry outfits, but also some springtime outfits because we're kind of in the middle at the moment. So let's jump to it. So I've got like a mountain on the floor, so I don't really know where to begin, so I'm just gonna start at the top. So there's no kind of order to this, so apologies. But the first look I'll show you is this amazing denim skirt. Now I'm obsessed with kind of patchwork denim, and just look at this. Like, how fun is that? You've got all the different kind of shades of denim blue, and it's just like a little mini skirt. I love it. And I got this in a size small. It is stretchy, so that's a good thing, but it does look quite on the mini side, but I think this is going to be so fun to like style into like spring and summer looks. So that's that one, and then I'll try it on with a top I also got. So this is a two-piece. So it's a really cute kind of knitted, very like dusty blue kind of crop top, but how cute is that? And the straps, they're adjustable, which is amazing because it drives me nuts when tops nowadays aren't adjustable, like when they have those skinny spaghetti straps, because it just makes them less versatile. So I love the fact that that's adjustable. And then it comes with this weird kind of cardigan thing. So, I mean, it looks really strange, doesn't it? It kind of, there's no front to it. So it's like a shawl. That's how I would describe it. So it's got like the arms, it comes around the neck, but then the back of it just stops at your back. I don't know about this one. Let's put it on with the look and we can see what we're dealing with. This is how it fits, and I'm obsessed with this skirt. Like, it's so cute, it's so funky. It is very much on the short side. I can just about get away with it, I think. But I mean, I can't really do much in this skirt. It's definitely kind of a look pretty and pose skirt rather than a practical one. Just because, you know, if I try and do anything in this skirt, I am going to flash someone. But it is so cute, and I think it's too cute not to try and work. And then the two-piece set, I love the top. I think this is adorable, the way it ties in the middle. I love that. This cardigan though, I don't get it. Like, it looks strange from the back. You know, what's it doing? And then this is the edge of the cardigan, like, unless I pin it round the front, but then it just, I don't know. Like, what am I doing something wrong with this? I think it is just meant to be a, kind of like a shoulder cardigan. But I don't think it looks right like that. Like, I think it looks weird from the back. So I'm not sure on the cardigan, but I love the top and love the skirt, so I'm definitely going to make these work. But I mean, look at this skirt. I would just love it if there was one more diamond row. That would be perfect. Perfect, but no, I mean, it fits beautifully at my waist. It's just lovely, and it is stretchy, so I can move in it. It's just short. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Have to make it work. The next piece I'm going to show you is this gorgeous grey kind of crop top. It's like in the middle length, but it's just so sweet, and it's got this like crisscross knot design at the front, and it's made of that lovely like ribbed fabric. So I just thought this would be a really nice like basic go-to t-shirt that's just going to go with most jeans, basically, was my kind of thinking. So I'm hoping this is just going to be a really safe fit and just look good, basically. So I'll throw this one on and we can take a look. So this is how it fits, and it's such a perfect fit. Like, it's exactly what I was expecting. I love this like crisscross design and how it makes a sweetheart neckline. I just think it's so flattering and so nice to just lounge in and wear with jeans. It's just going to be a really nice everyday top, and it's just got that little bit extra. You know, I love the little bit of detailing just to jazz it up a bit. No, I think it's super cute. No, I really like this. It's just a really easy to wear top, and what I actually really like is it's not a bodysuit. So I've got a lot of lovely bodysuits that go in my jeans, and I know they look lovely, but sometimes they're just a bit of a pain to keep having to do up and all of that. So it's quite nice that this is actually just, it's a t-shirt. You know, it's just going to be really easy to wear, and it looks nice over the top of jeans as well. So it gives you that option. So no, I really like this one. No, it's really cute. The next thing I got is also a top. Now, this one caught my eye because it's kind of like a corset style, but it's not a corset, so it's just going to be really comfy, and it's made out of this like slinky fabric, which I personally find so comfortable to wear. It's that like really stretchy, almost like swimming costume fabric. It's just amazing, and it's got these really wide straps that's got like a little indent here, so I think that's going to be really cute. And then the bottom of it looks like a corset. It's not a corset, but I think that's just going to look gorgeous. And it is a brown. I don't know if my camera is showing you. It kind of almost looks black, I think, but it's like a dark brown. So I think this with, you know, blue or white jeans, or black to be honest, all jeans basically, I think will look so cute. I love it. Let's put it on. So this is how it fits, and I have put it on with a pair of black jeans, which probably won't do it justice, and they're also not quite super high-waisted, because I think this top, it goes like longer at the front, but I don't like it when you can like just see the edging here. I think that is the point of this top, but I prefer it where you can't like see that. Because to be honest, just on its own, this top is just gorgeous. Like, I love the wide straps, the detailing is beautiful, the fake corseting is gorgeous. Like, it sits in all the right places. It's such a safe style. And even the back of it is gorgeous. It's got like really thick straps and just like straight lines. I just love it. I think this with like white jeans in the summer is gonna be a killer look. Like, no, I love this one. Like, just how the top's constructed, like, it's not, you know, it's that very flimsy fabric, but they've just sewn everything in the right place. So no, I love this one. The last top I got is actually a corset. So it looks like this. So I got it in black, and it's got the boning, and it's just kind of like a structured, almost like basque, isn't it? And it's a zip up back. So I don't quite know how I'm going to zip this up on myself, but that's going to be fun. I'm going to attempt to do that. And then it does have sleeves, so I feel like once my arms are in, I don't know how I'm going to like zip it up behind me. Yeah, I haven't figured that one out yet, but it has got these kind of bell sleeves, so they're quite puffy, and they have like really cute button detailing. Like, look at that, so sweet. So yeah, let's attempt to put this one on. This is what it looks like on, and I've just paired it with a pair of kind of black leather look jeans. And I've got to say, it's actually really cute. I was expecting it to be tighter than it is. So this is a size small, and the top of it is not tight, but it's not loose, if that makes sense. Like, it's still restrictive, but it's not going to fall down. So I wouldn't size down. It's just surprised me on the fit. But I love the way it kind of, you know, it's very form-fitting. It's very streamlined. I'm not sure on the, you know, puffy sleeves. It's completely how the style is meant to be. It just, I don't know if it's my thing, but it's definitely fun. Like, I can see myself wearing this to go out for like cocktails or something like that, and I think it looks cute with the black jeans. Only thing I would say, it's got a really chunky silver zip. Now, I don't mind it, but I would love it if it was one of those kind of like hidden zips. I just think they look so much nicer in tops and dresses, but it is a minor thing. But no, I think it's really cute. I think maybe plain black jeans will look better than these leather look ones. But, because it's like two different blacks, isn't it? No, it's cute. It's just the sleeves. Let me know what you think of the sleeves, because I'm not sure on them. The more I'm wearing it, the more I'm unsure on the sleeves. But I love the body. So regardless, this bit's a yes, the sleeves are the maybe. The next thing I got is a romper. Now, I fell in love with the colour of this, but now that it's arrived, I don't know if this is a bit too crazy. So, I mean, it's gorgeous, but it's not just yellow. It's also got this kind of grid print on it. So I don't know if it's just a bit too much, and like with the ruching and the cups, I don't know. Let me know what you think, but it's a little bit in your face, but it has got lovely built-in cups. It's that sort of really cute style, so I really want it to work. I just don't know if it would look better if it was like a plain yellow fabric. And also, I don't know, is yellow my colour? You know, we all kind of have colours that just like make us pop. I don't know if yellow is mine, but I love it anyway. So let's see how this fits. So it does have a belt, so you can make the waist really cinched in, and then it's obviously got shorts because it's a romper, but it's like in layers. So it could look really cute, kind of like a rah-rah skirt type thing. I don't know about this one. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. So this is how it fits, and I've got to say, I think now that it's on, I do really like it, but I'm just not 100% sure. So let me know your opinion on it, but the fit of it is, I can't fault it. It's so cute. I love the sleeves. I just think it's really adorable, and I love that it's a romper. It just means it's so easy to wear, and you can just run around in it and not kind of worry about it. And, you know, having the waist tie, it's just so flattering on. So apart from that, it's just the colour really. So let me know what you think, but I kind of love it. I think it's really, really cute. The next thing I got is a two-piece set that is also a little on the crazy side, but it says fuzzy blue dress and cardigan, and I've got to say I love it. It's so soft to touch. Like, I cannot explain to you how soft this kind of fabric is, and the dress is this like tube kind of style, but it does have straps, and they're just like very kind of elasticated, almost spaghetti straps. Like, they're so thin. I would much prefer either no straps or like a bit thicker ones, but the dress itself isn't going to be tight enough to hold without straps, so we'll see what it looks like on. It might work absolutely fine, or it just might, I don't know basically. And then the cardigan is just this really cute kind of, it's just a basic cardigan really. It's not like a super tight one or a little one, it's actually, you know, a proper cardi. So this could be really cute on its own as well with like jeans if the dress and cardi doesn't work. So let's just put it on and see what we're dealing with. This is how it looked, and I've got to say, I'm surprised by this one. I actually really like it. I wish the dress was actually a strapless dress and didn't have these kind of little spaghetti straps here, but it is too loose to wear without the straps. But then again, the cardigan kind of hides them anyway, so it does have that strapless dress vibe. But I do feel like a character out of Monsters Inc. It's just kind of, you know, that fluffy fabric. But I mean, it's cute. I actually gotta say, for a fluffy dress, it doesn't look that bad. I don't mind it. Let me know what you think. It is a little bit crazy, but I'm thinking kind of like working from home, you know, instead of wearing tracksuits, I can wear this cute fluffy dress set. That's my thinking. But no, and it's so soft to wear, like it is so comfortable. I love it, and I love the fact it comes with a cardigan because I just feel really cozy. I don't know. I really like this one. It's cute. The next thing I got is a pink dress. Now, I just fell in love with the style of this. It's almost kind of like pin-up style, and it's just this pink tartan kind of bodycon piece, and it is so stretchy. Like, look at this. It's that fabulous fabric that, oh, it's just so comfortable to wear. I love it. And I also like the fact that at the front, you know, the cups are quite large in it. Normally when dresses have kind of sewn in cups, they sew them in so tiny. It just looks a bit strange, whereas this I think looks really cute. So I'm excited to try this on. It has got a little slit on the leg, so that can be really cute. So yeah, let's just put it on. This is how it looks, and it's so cute. Like, I really like the colour scheme of it. I just think it's so fun. Only thing that I'm not sure on is the bow on the front. I think because it's the same fabric, it almost like blends in and just looks a little bit odd. It's like an optical illusion. But let me know what you think, and that's very easy to remove or, you know, just put on the inside. But the actual dress is gorgeous. It's got like these seams going down the front and then a lovely little split here. It's just really easy to wear, like it's a nice length. No, I really like this one. I think it's really gonna be cute for the summer. And it's so stretchy, like doesn't even feel like I'm wearing a dress. So I can really move in this one, which I love. So no, I think this is really cute. The next piece is this ribbed dress. Now, I'm obsessed with the colour of this. Anything, you know, jade or green, I just love at the moment, and this is exactly that. And it's just a bodycon dress in that kind of really nice stretchy rib fabric. And I love the fact it's got a zip going down the front, just like this one. I feel like I definitely have a style, don't I? It's showing now. But it's just really cute, and I feel like it's just going to be just really easy to throw on and wear. No, I'm excited for this one. I think in like springtime this is going to be a really cute kind of casual dress, you know, to wear with pumps or trainers. So let's just put this one on and see what it looks like. This is how it fits, and it is so cute. The only negative I have about it is the length of it. So from the front, it's really cute, it's just a mini dress, but from the back it just needs an extra inch to just make it workable. You know, it looks fine when I'm standing still, but if you try and move in this dress, it just rides up. So, you know, I can wear it with tights or with leggings and then it's gorgeous, but to wear, you know, to have it as an actual, you know, dress that can be worn on its own, I just need another inch. So it is on the short side, so keep that in mind if you're thinking about getting it, because they do it in so many colours. It is a fabulous dress, and it's so comfy to wear because it's just so stretchy. But yeah, the length of this one is a slight issue, and because it's bodycon, you know, it just wriggles and wriggles and wriggles. So you need that little bit extra length to keep it decent, basically. But I mean, it's very cute, and it does fit lovely. But yeah, that's this one. The next dress I got, I'm not sure on this one. So it came a very different colour to what I was expecting from the model when I was shopping online. And that happens with online shopping, doesn't it? The colour never is quite what you expect it to be. but it's kind of like this dirty mustard colour, so it's looking lovely on my camera. It probably won't show up, but it almost looks like a yellow dress that I've put in the washing machine with a black sock. Now, it's not necessarily a bad colour, it just wasn't quite what I was expecting. And again, I'm just thinking, is it my colour? It might be, we'll see. But it's just this really nice kind of off-the-shoulder bandeau, almost like sock dress, I would say. It's very long, so I'll probably need to either shorten it or wear like mega heels with it. But I have no problem with that, you know, can be a look, but it's made out of that lovely kind of ribbed fabric, so I think with this one I've just got to put it on to see if it's something I can work or whether it's just not made for me. But it's very cute. I love the kind of style of the dress. I'm just not sure if the colour is for me. It's quite funny, the two pieces in this haul that are yellow I'm unsure on. So let me know, do we think yellow is my colouring? Although this is like a greeny yellow. I don't know. Let me just put it on. This is how it fits, and it's really cute. I'm just not sure on the colour of it. And apart from the colour, it's also really hard to walk in. So it comes like past my knee, and so I'm kind of like waddling to try and like walk in this because it is like that pencil dress style. And then also the arms are quite restrictive. Like, I'm not always a fan of off the shoulder because of this, and I just feel like I can't use my arms like past this amount. So if I try and put them on my waist, it just doesn't have it. It just like rides completely up. So I mean, it's cute. No, I'm just not, I don't love the colour. I don't hate this dress, it's not quite right, I don't think. But let me know what you think. But this is what it looks like. And finally, you have made it to the last item of this haul. We have a brown jumper dress. So it looks like this. It's just a really cute kind of, you know, crisscross neckline. It's in this beautiful brown fabric. And when I tell you, this feels like such high quality. So, you know, in this haul, we've had other jumper dresses and they just, you know, they feel as you expect for the price. This feels so thick and luxurious. Like, it's just amazing. It's really nice fabric, so I really recommend this one. You're gonna get your money's worth. Like, it's just fabulous. And it's just this kind of crisscross neckline, and then it has a bodycon skirt to it, and then on the edges it has these slits. And it does come with a belt. So we can cinch that waist in, which is ideal. And I love brown at the moment. I think it just looks so nice with my hair colours. And yeah, the shape of this jumper dress, I think it's just going to be flawless. So let's just put it on and take a look. So this is how it fits, and it's just such a comfy fit, and I think it's so stylish as well. I love the fact it's got these slits down the side because it is a little on the long side to what I would usually wear, but by having the slits, I think it just works. And I love the fact it's got the tie waist so it can really, you know, cinch you in. I really love this one. I love the neckline, and the back of it's gorgeous as well. It's kind of got like a little bar and then another v-neck. So no, this is a gorgeous dress. Like, you can wear this with boots, you can wear it with nice heels, you can dress it up or down. It's just so comfy, but I love it. Like, it looks gorgeous. No. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, this will be one of my go-to pieces in my wardrobe, I think. It's so simple, but will go just with everything. It's smart and casual. No, love this one. Absolutely love it. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's haul. Everything will be linked down below if you'd like to check any of the items out. It was quite a big haul, and I've got to say, I'm always impressed with Fashionnova, so I do really recommend them. But I'll also link my social media down below if you'd like to check me out on any of that. But thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next week.